ಸೊ ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡು ಪೀಪಲ್ people like Vijay Mallya or Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi take large sums of money from the banks and simply run away without paying when they are asked to pay. Why it happens, why they do like this? There is a particular kind of trait regarding this is a particular trait seen only in people who borrow money from other people, either banks or other people. What happens is, I'll give one very good example. Example here is my father's co-brother, that is my mother's elder sister's husband. He was supposedly a doctor in CSI Vision Hospital, Bagalkot, during the 1980s. What has happened? His ideology is, he wants to become rich overnight. His idea is that overnight he should become a crorepati or a millionaire. For that, what did he was a doctor. Medical representatives used to come and then tell the products, which product to write and all. In that line, he wanted to focus, and he opened one pharmaceutical company. For opening that pharmaceutical company, what he did, I will tell. He raised a loan, lakhs together loans in the year 1980, somewhere around 1980-81, from Karnataka State Finance Corporation, KSFC, and also the Canara Bank and other banks, 2 banks he has this one. First, what he has done, he has taken loan from my grandmother, that is my mother's mother. For that, he did lot of, torture to my grandmother, asked her to sell her house in Hoovinhadagli and give the money to him so that he could buy a big plot near near Nandi Hills in Chikballapur. And there, he has pledged this one. On that land, he has, taken loan and built a factory. ADAP, ADAP Pharmaceutical Drugs and Ajay Pharmaceuticals Drugs Private Limited. ADAP. Okay. This is the name of the company which he started. He started and he has started, and he probably had one brother also. His brother is living in some other place, but he was the whole and soul running, maintaining everything. And what has happened, initially the production has started, and first of all this one medical reps should go and tell that this is the product of the company, and the company should the doctor should write. Okay. For that, they should give samples. So they have produced first enough samples to give all over South India. What he should do, he used to travel in flight. Those times flight, we bought car and all posh life he started living. Big TV, bike, every bike he had, and car and everything, and then going in flight, coming in flight, going to Madras in flight, going to Hyderabad in flight from Bangalore. All this he started doing, and he nothing, no investment from his side. The investment from his side was provided by my grandmother. She sold her, Jamin Jaidad and all lands she had, everything he made them. My mother's elder sister was pregnant at that time with a baby. What he used to do, it seems, he used to tell that he will kick the tummy of this one, his wife, and the baby should come out. Like that, he has given torture, and then he has threatened. And that's how, he made my grandmother sell all her, lands and houses and everything. And what he has done, he has told, you come and stay with me. In the same money, he has built, one house also, what my grandmother gave. And also taken a huge plot near Nandi Hills to build this factory. The factory did not run because of mismanagement, because first of all, the doctor should write. He should concentrate on that. If he is producing some ethical practices, he should ensure the doctors should write the prescribe the medicine of his company. For that, medical rep should be there. Medical rep should go and convince the doctors, wherever it is, in Bangalore or in any town, all towns. That did not work. And then what happened? By this time, the loan he had taken, he had to pay it back. Monthly this much they would have told. And for that, what he has done suddenly, he has started paying. He has started paying money, this one loan money to KSFC. And he has approached Canara Bank. Canara Bank, again, he has pledged this house, the house which he built from the money of my grandmother. He has built that house. That one he has pledged. And they have given some more loan. And all this information is available in Karnataka High Court case. I will give case number in the description. What he has done, he has taken money. When they are ready to give, they will see, they will take one guarantee. What? This much, okay, we have, okay, we will value that one. For valuation also, if they are valuing less, they little money give to the bank manager also. He will value it more and then he will give more loan. Like that, he has managed everything. And finally, he has not paid any one map to the banks. What the bank people have done, they have closed this one. They wanted to seize all the machinery in the factory. Then what he has done, my father had built a house next to this fellow's house. He told he was in transferable service in police department. So I will take it on rent and I will pay 1,000 rupees, he had told my father. So this factory was about to get shut, so he shifted all the machinery. Big house we built, 60-40. Big house. Yeah, all the machineries he has came and put in the house. Okay. In the house. And then and he has taken it for rent, 1,000 rupees rent per month from my father. And this one, my father had built that house by taking loan from his department, police department. Loan, everything, pakka paperwork. The loan repayment, done through his salary deduction. So what happened, 2-3 years later, he has gone, my father, to ask why he is not paying 1 rupee also as rent. Then he is saying, no, I only built this house. Where is the agreement? Nothing. He told the house is his and he won't vacate. So my father put a case. That this is fraud he has done. And he is telling that it is his own house. This is my house. All papers he has shown. Loan taken from the government, loan taken from his department, salary being, deductions being done from for the loan. Everything he has shown, and the case was registered. This case in the civil court was registered, and the notice sent. Notice only this fellow didn't take. Notice he didn't take, and then for how many 5-6 years he didn't take notice. Finally, because my father it was a transferable job. Chikbalapur is somewhere around 60 kilometers from Bangalore. The name of this fellow, this bastard, was Dr. Mohan Prabhakar. He is a doctor. Bastard is a doctor. Okay, he is located in Chikbalapur. He today also is having one clinic which does not have a board. Archana Clinic, I think. It does not have a board because he didn't pay loan only. The bank people are today also they are behind him to do vasuli. But somehow he will keep escaping. What he did, he didn't take the notice from my father's that case of vacating the house. So what happened finally, the notice had to be pasted on the door of the this house which he was living in. And so that was done. And after that, warrant was issued for non-appearance for so many years. Warrant was issued by the court. Then he has come to my father. He has come and fallen to the feet of my father, saying that sorry, no, I should not have done this. I realized my mistake. Now I only will buy. If this bastard has to buy the house, my father's house, he should have told then only. This is the problem I am facing. I will buy your house myself. Give me some time. I will give money, but not now. Maybe later. But I will only buy. He should have told her. He didn't tell anything like that. He simply told that the house itself is his own built house. and that he won't vacate the house. So finally what happened, the case again ran. My father, somehow, due to the pressure of my mother, because, elder sister's husband, he asked my father to, forgive him and then, sell the house to this fellow. This one he had done, he could have done it in 1980 only. In somewhere around 2003, the case got over. Then they have paid, some little money and to my mother, and then they have, my father has agreed, because lot of roaming to the court, nothing happened, and then due to judiciary and due to this cunning fellow and the advocate. So my father, succumbed to this one, their pressure, and then he signed the paper that he will take back the case, and then he sold this one, his house, to this bastard. So what I am telling is, now, then in the meantime, what happened in the house which my father's co-brother, Dr. Mohan Prabhakar, was staying, he, in order to save the house from, the bank taking away the house, he has transferred the house to his son's name. So this is what happens, when the Puksatema Laude Keval, free money somebody is giving, they'll keep taking money. And then once they can't pay, they'll find another person who will give them money with more interest or some more conditions. They will try to brave him only. All this, same this one. Vijay Mallya, Mehul Chokshi, or whoever it is, Mehul Chokshi and Nirav Modi, all, this overdraft. Punjab National Bank, overdraft. Somebody is signing, somebody is giving, and they kept collecting money. One day they ran away. So this particular trait of, borrowing money from people, they will borrow from one person. If they are really interested in, doing business, paying back the money, and maintaining a goodwill in the society, then what they will do, they will definitely work on paying back the money and maintaining the goodwill, so that tomorrow if they want to start another new business, people should give money. This Vijay Mallya is not what he did, started this one. Somebody is giving loan, some fellow is giving, some bank is giving loan. So what happened with Vijay Mallya was, Vijay Mallya started first when they gave loan, he first took this one, he purchased the IPL team. Started RCB, that was a debacle. Why it was a debacle, everybody knows. And regarding Kingfisher Airlines, what he did, all Udri, fuel Udri, Puksate, okay. He from here they'll go, put fuel and go. And they should return it in certain number of days. Whatever Udri means loan, fuel loan they are taking. No, simply going empty this one trips and not returning the money. He piled up, loan piled up, and then finally one day what happened? This one airline got closed, and then that is how Mallya had to run, and they are all mortgage. He is that one that all his house, everything in Goa, everything they took. Now he is telling he will give it back, take it back, because extradition means they will arrest him and bring him. Now he is telling he will give. Why he could have told I will give it then only. Why, this is one particular kind of trait, not found in everyone. When this one they see easy money, somebody is giving. What? Rate of interest, I will give, I will do business. Then I will tell, okay, it is I suffered loss in business, I won't pay, I will tell some story. Again I will take loan. Somebody will give. And government ready to declare it as bad debt. Government ko bhi kuch khilao, and then get away, run away, then sit. And finally, if the nose is tightened again to the neck, then they'll tell you, no, I will give, like this one, my father's co-brother, that is only he did. Finally, when arrest warrant issued, then he came and told to my father's feet. That is, this is the trait why the people like this take money, loan.